That's what it looks like, guys.
What is going on, YouTube? So I referred one of my friends that had bought a Model 3. Congratulations to him. You're gonna love that car, my guy. But I had an extra $500 in the Tesla store credit, so I went ahead and bought the projection lights from my Model Y. This is how it comes packaged and delivered in the little plastic, little plastic bubble wrap paper thingy. Let's go ahead and open that up. Take out the actual lights themselves, nothing else in the box. This is the packaging here. It says right here, Model Y projection lights, literally on all sides here. Got a little thing with the serial number on it. Let's go ahead and open this up. It has some easy remove tape, which is pretty cool. So I don't have to struggle to open up the box. And this is what the inside of the package looks like. I believe you scan the QR code and it pulls up the instruction manual, which is online. I'm gonna wait till it's dark outside so I can show you the before and the after of what it looks like when I go ahead and install these bad boys.
Show you guys up close what these look like here. See, it's got the projection part there. See Tesla written on it. It's got a black aesthetic to it, and this is the back as well here. Pretty cool. So compared to the originals, let's go install this, check it out. Stock lights look like. Got some pretty good, yeah, I mean, it's got some pretty good coverage. Those are pretty bright. So it looks like here on the bottom. And so we're gonna pull this out and replace the housing. I have a credit card and a little screwdriver thing. See, nothing I can't handle. All right, forgot to roll down the window. The two ribbed sides. Nice. That is so clean. Wow, that took way longer than I thought to put it in. So just a tip, if you're watching this, when you're putting it in, when you're putting the actual new one in, kind of feed it in halfway on like the left side with the wire, and then the right side, and then you can kind of push it in easily. So now that I know that, I'll have no problem doing the next side. But let me show you guys how it looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. So I am experiencing a slight issue on the right side here. The housing, if I have it display like this, the housing is going to be installed backwards. The way that it wants to be installed is like this. However, this is the right side door, so it would be upside down and displaying incorrectly. I read online that this is a common issue and people have contacted customer service. I see online that some guy said to just install it backwards, so the little notch in here will be incorrectly installed, but you can do that as an option. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't have time to deal with Tesla support and everything, so we're gonna put that in real quick. I just want to do a small test before I securely seat it. This is where it's gonna be if I install it correctly, but the housing is gonna be backwards. This is if I was to install it correctly with the notch facing where it should be. Looks like it's displaying in the relatively same location, so I should be fine. Go ahead and seat it completely in there. All right, there's the final product. So I got it fully seated in here. That's what it looks like there. It's nicely seated. Should be fine. So this is the right side here. And that's what it looks like, guys. Pretty cool. It's actually really high quality. it looks super crispy and clean in person. Here's a comparison between the new projection lights. It doesn't really act as a floodlight per se compared to the back, because this is the back door. That's an actual floodlight here. But this one is more, you know, just shows the Tesla logo, which it kind of is counterproductive because it's not actually a floodlight. So you can see how it's dark there and it's light here. So this is an actual floodlight here in the back, and this here is just the Tesla projection light. So it doesn't really act as a floodlight per se, but it looks super cool. So make sure you guys thumbs up, like the video. Let me know if you guys are gonna get these for yourselves. Pay the hefty price that they're charging for these. And yeah guys, subscribe, thumbs up, comment.